Well, this last year, this is where almost the entire world got it wrong. The computation requirement, the scaling law of AI is more resilient and, in fact, hyper-accelerated. The amount of computation we need at this point as a result of agentic AI, as a result of reasoning, is easily 100 times more than we thought we needed this time last year. And let's reason about why that's true. The first part is let's just go from what the AI can do. Let me work backwards. Agentic AI, as I mentioned, at its foundation is reasoning. We now have AIs that can reason, which is fundamentally about breaking a problem down step by step. Maybe it approaches a problem in a few different ways and selects the best answer. Maybe it solves the same problem in a variety of ways and ensure it has the same answer, consistency checking. Or maybe after it's done deriving the answer, it plugs it back into the equation, maybe a quadratic equation, to confirm that in fact that's the right answer, instead of just one shot blurbing it out. Remember, 2 years ago when we started working with ChatGPT, a miracle as it was, many complicated questions and many simple questions, it simply can't get right, and it's understandably so. It took a one shot, whatever it learned by studying pre-trained data, whatever it saw from other experiences, pre-trained data, it does a one shot, blurps it out, like a savant. Now, we have AIs that can reason step by step by step, using a technology called chain of thought, best of n, consistency checking, a variety of different path planning, a variety of different techniques. We now have AIs that can reason, break a problem down, reason, step by step by step. Well, you could imagine, as a result, the number of tokens we generate, and the fundamental technology of AI is still the same. Generate the next token, predict the next token. It's just that the next token now makes up step one. Then the next token after that, after it generates step one, that step one has gone into the input of the AI again as it generates step two, and step three, and step four. So instead of just generating one token or one word after next, it generates a sequence of words that represents a step of reasoning. The amount of tokens that's generated as a result is substantially higher, and I'll show you in a second. Easily 100 times more. Well, the question then becomes, how do we teach an AI how to do what I just described? How to execute this chain of thought? Well, one method is you have to teach the AI how to reason. And as I mentioned earlier, in training, there are two fundamental problems we have to solve. Where does the data come from? Where does the data come from? And how do we not have it be limited by human in the loop? There's only so much data and so much human demonstration we can perform. And so this is the big breakthrough in the last couple of years. Reinforcement learning, verifiable results. Basically, reinforcement learning of an AI as it attacks or tries to engage solving a problem step by step.